Good morning, children. We are in the third chapter, accountancy. Already we have finished how to calculate capital account using fixed method and fluctuating method. Now next type is very simple, children. We are just going to calculate interest on capital and interest on drawings. Okay. Today we will see interest on capital. Coming here, children, first you have to learn the journal, children. This actually in 11th standard we learned the final accounts. In that you have the journal. Okay. To provide interest on capital, look at the journal, children. Interest on capital account debtor to partners capital or current account. See, interest on capital, why is it debited? It is an expense to the firm, and always you have to know partners capital will come in the credit account. So your journal will be interest on capital account debtor to partners capital or current. See, you have to write as capital account if it is following fluctuating method. If it is following fixed method, you have to write as current account. That depends upon the question, children. So you have to read the question carefully, then only you write the journal. ரொம்ப சிம்பிளாக நீங்கள் படிக்கணும்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன ஜேர்னல் படிக்கிறோம், இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் கேபிட்டல். அதனால ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டாக வரும் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிக்கோங்க. ஸோ இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட் டேட்டா டு பார்ட்னர்ஸ் கேபிட்டல் ஆர் கரண்ட் அக்கௌண்ட். Now coming with the closing, children, that means you are transferring it to profit and loss account. So what's the journal? Profit and loss appropriation account data to interest on capital. This profit and loss appropriation I will teach you, children. Instead of writing profit and loss account, we are writing profit and loss appropriation. It's nothing but an extension to the profit and loss account. Okay. So after calculating the amount, children, you have to fill it up in the debit amount and credit amount. We'll see how to do it. Okay. Coming with calculation of interest on capital. Look at the illustration 5, children. Very simple problem. Okay. All this using just in the smaller classes how you learned. You see illustration 5. Manan and Ramesh share the profits and losses in the ratio 3:1. The capital on 1st April 2017 is rupees 80,000 and for Manan and 60,000 for Ramesh, and the current account showed an credit balance of rupees 10,000 and 5,000 respectively. Calculate interest on capital 5% per annum for the year ending 31st March 2018 and show the journal entries. See, it is like our bank calculation only, children. If when our parents are investing, for example, they are investing 80,000, and how much is the interest you get? The same way you have to calculate, children. Look at the calculation. See, coming with the interest on capital, you have to write amount of capital into rate of interest. That's all. Coming with Manan's capital, you're going to calculate interest, children, is equal to how much did Manan invest? 80,000 into 5%, so 5 by 100, that's equal to 4,000 rupees. Coming to interest on Ramesh capital, children, that's also very simple. How much did Ramesh invest? 60,000 into 5 by 100, that is equal to 3,000 rupees. Now anyway, you have to calculate interest for the capital only, not for the current account. Okay, so you will write only for 80,000 and 60,000. So what is the amount? 4,000 and 3,000, 7,000. So now question is, you have to pass the journal entries also. So this calculation you have to do and write the journal entries also. Coming with the journal entries, children, interest on capital account debtor to, you understood they are opening current account also. So you will write to Manan's current account and to Ramesh current account. You write being interest on capital provided 4,000 and 3,000. So totally we are paying 7,000. It's an expense to the firm, children. Coming with the transfer entry also, you have to write. What is the transfer entry? Profit and loss appropriation account debtor to interest on capital rupees 7,000. I'll stop here, children. I'll go with the next illustration.